Thank you, Saffron. Your message reminds us to be fearless and always choose what is right. Now let's welcome the color that teaches us peace.
Hello everyone, I am White. I stand for peace and truth. Let us always be kind, peaceful, honest and friendly.
Thank you, White. Thank you, White. Peace and kindness make our country happier. Now let's welcome the color that reminds us to care for nature.
You should stand that side. Girl, stand that side. You stand that side.
Hello everyone, I am Green. I stand for growth and prosperity. Let us stand for trees and keep our India clean and green.
Thank you, Green. Our tricolor is almost complete, but there is one very special friend we are waiting for. Let's welcome the Ashok Chakra. Hello everyone, I am the Ashok Chakra. I have 24 spokes. I remind everyone to work hard. Keep moving forward and always do the right thing. Thank you, Ashoka Chakra. All of the parts of our national flag are here. When the saffron, white, green and Ashok Chakra come together, they become the pride of every Indian. I belong Tiranga. We are the colors of India. Together we are one. Let us behave peaceful, honest, helpful, and always respect our national flag. One India, clean India, green India. Jai Hind! Wasn't that wonderful, Shiva? Yes, today our Tiranga reminded us of the values that make every Indian proud. But our freedom did not come easily. Many brave men and women have sacrificed their lives so that we could live in a free India. Let us now welcome some of our great freedom fighters who have come alive today to share their inspiring stories and the sacrifices they made for our country. Let's welcome them with a big round of applause. Good morning. Good morning everyone. Today, as we celebrate the spirit of independence, we proudly remember the legends of Azadi, the brave men and women whose courage, sacrifice and unwavering love for our motherland gave us the greatest gift of all, freedom. Have you ever wondered
What did freedom mean to our freedom fighters? Now, let us listen to the inspiring words of the great heroes who made the freedom possible.
Music. Music.
I am Mangal Pandey. I was one of the brave soldiers to stand against British rule. I fought fearlessly because I wanted my country to be free. My courage inspired many others to join the fight for India's freedom. देश की आजादी के लिए हर बलिदान महान होता है. मैं झांसी की रानी लक्ष्मीबाई हूँ. मैं अपनी मातृभूमि से प्यार करती हूँ. एक हाथ में तलवार. मैं अपनी देश और झांसी की रक्षा के लिए निडर होकर युद्ध किया. मेरे लिए स्वतंत्रता का अर्थ है साहस और दृढ़ संकल्प के साथ हमेशा सही बात की रक्षा करना. मैं अपनी झांसी नहीं दूंगी. నేను అల్లూరి సీతారామరాజును. నా దేశాన్ని ఎంతో ప్రేమించాను. నా గిరిజన సోదరుల హక్కులను కాపాడడానికి ఆంగ్లేయులపై ధైర్యంగా పోరాడాను. మన దేశ స్వాతంత్రం కోసం నేను ఎప్పుడూ వెనకడుగు వేయలేదు. ధైర్యం, ఐకమత్యం స్వతంత్రానికి బలం. I believe that freedom is every Indian's right. I raise my voice against injustice and inspire every Indian to be brave and stand up for freedom. वे मुझे मार सकते हैं, लेकिन मेरे विचारों को नहीं मार सकते. Do you truly understand the meaning of freedom? Good morning, teacher, sir, vice principal, and principal. I, Subhash Chandra Bose. I believe freedom had to be earned with courage and sacrifice. I inspired thousands to fight for an independent India. Jai Hind. तुम मुझे खून दो, मैं तुम्हें आजादी दूंगा. जय हिंद. Now let us invite our friends to sing a song on Tiranga.
कंटिन्यू